In this video, I'll show you how you can fix you don't have authorization to view this page. The first thing you want to try is come here and go new incognito window and then try and enter the website from this one. Now if that still doesn't work, what you should try and do is come here, go to delete browsing data. Inside of there you want to choose the time range to all time, and then you can uncheck the browser history, but make sure that cookies and cached data is selected. Then you just want to clear that and then see if it works after that. Now if that still doesn't work, come here and search for CMD, right click and run as an administrator. In here type ipconfig space /flush DNS. Then what you want to do is to type net sh space rensock space reset. Press enter and then you want to restart your PC and see if it works now. And as a last resort, you want to make sure that it's not a privated website. So if someone has a website but they made it private, then people cannot enter the website, and that might be one of the reasons. Now I really hope this video helped you. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.